Hello guys, welcome to a very important new chapter, Google Analytics. As usual, we'll start by explaining what Google Analytics is. So, Google Analytics is a free analytics service or tool that is offered by Google, and it basically allows you to track website traffic. It also gives you insights into how users find and use your website. It can also let you track your ads or social campaigns. It also lets you know many information, like how people are discovering you, how long are they staying on your website, what are the devices used to view your website. It'll give you many information that can be extremely useful to you so you can find out where are your weak points and what are your pluses. So it's considered as the statistics of your website interactions. And Google Analytics is just hugely beneficial when it comes to tracking your website performance. And a tool like this can help you predict whether you're a good website that will be rewarded and will appear more often in search engines, or you're more likely to have a drop in your SEO plan. So it allows you to exactly determine what's going wrong with your website, so you can try and fix it. And that's just a general idea on what Google Analytics is. And in the next video, we're going to tell you why you should definitely use it and how it affects your SEO plans and strategies. As we said in the previous video, Google Analytics is a very powerful tool that can let you determine the amount of traffic you're getting and how many users are often visiting your website, and it allows you to determine statistics on your audience. And not just that, but also ads, interactions, and many more things. But maybe all of these aren't enough reasons for you to use Google Analytics. So here are some convincing reasons. Number 1, it's free. Yes, it is free. And we can expect that a professional tool like this will be quite pricey. But the surprise here is that Google Analytics is truly available at no cost at all. There are rumors that it might be not free in the future, but till today it's free, so why not use it while we can and benefit from it? Number 2, it has a very user-friendly interface. It's also very easy to understand and interact with, allowing you to choose from many options and check marks that'll help you do the things you wish you could do and get information you always wanted to get with just a simple few clicks. Also, it's very easy to learn, and we're gonna walk you through many things with Google Analytics in this chapter. Number 3, and this is a major plus, it allows you to set goals for your website. You can start an SEO strategy without setting goals to it. Actually, no strategy ever worked without setting goals. So a tool that allows you to do that and give you the opportunity to track the progress of achieving these goals can come in quite handy in our plan. So combine this advantage with the others like the user-friendly interface and the easy accessibility, and you've got yourself some good reasons that you should start using Google Analytics right now. Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today we'll finally explain to you how to get to use Google Analytics, and specifically in analyzing keywords. To do this, we're going to use a tool called Keyword Planner. This tool will allow us to search for new keywords every single day, and will eventually help us when creating new content so we can know what are the necessary keywords that we're aiming for. So let's get started. First, we're going to set up an account on Google Ads. It's very simple, just Google Ads and sign in with your Google account. Then this page will pop up. Choose what kind of business you have and a website or a mobile app, then fill in some information and put your website's URL. And then scroll down and you'll find data sharing settings. We highly recommend that you check them all and then click Get Tracking ID. Like this, you have successfully created an account. Now, you can click on Tools in the upper menu, then Keyword Planner. That's what you're going to find. So click on Find New Keywords so you can get ideas that can help you score and rank better in search results by using them. So just click Find New Keywords. And after that, enter the keywords you want to get information about. In the example, we entered mobile phones. And then click Get Started. Now this huge page full of info will pop out. And you have so many options you can choose from. Let us break them down for you. So here you have the names of the keywords. And if you click on the word keyword, you'll actually sort them by relevance, whether from high to low or the other way around. And then you have the average monthly searches. And this is going to be the number of people searching for this specific keyword per month. But be careful, if we look up there, you'll see the location selected is Egypt. So the searches we're talking about are going to be in Egypt. And then you have whether this keyword is of high competition or low competition. Remember? These were the ones determining the amount of websites using it, and whether they're famous or not. And as we said before, it's always better to start with low competition keywords. The ad impression share is a comparison that compares that amount of impressions you received from using that keyword, divided by the amount of searches the keyword is getting in a specific location. Top of page bid is the lowest amount of money advertisers spent on their ads that use these specific keywords to get on top of the pages of Google. And on the other hand, top of page bid is the high range or the highest amount of money advertisers spent on their ads that use these keywords to get also in the higher rankings of Google. So these give you an idea on how much exactly you should be spending if you're advertising these keywords. And finally, account status shows whether the keyword is in your plan or not. Now the best thing about Keyword Planner is you can actually download the keyword ideas that you get by clicking here, and it'll download them as an Excel file. So now you know how to get new keywords every single day with that super beneficial tool. We hope you have found this tutorial useful and that you learned how to use the Keyword Planner strategically. Thank you guys. Hello guys, carrying on with our analytics tutorial, today we will discuss demographics and some extra other data that can be useful in analytics, specifically to study and determine your audience. So let's get into the details. So first, sign into your Google Analytics account, then from the left panel, click on that tiny settings button. It's called Admin. And then you'll see a section called Property. You want to click on Property Settings. A new page will appear. So scroll down in the property settings until you find Enable Demographics and Interest Reports under Advertising Features. Make sure it's set to On. Then scroll down and click Save. Just like we can see in this image right now. So Property Images and then Enable Demographics and Interest Reports. Make sure it's on, then click Save. After that, you'll find in the left panel under the Report section Audience. Click on it, then Demographics. Then, after that, Overview. That's what you'll get, a new window that has so many demographics on your audience. Let us break it down for you. In this example, we can see a percentage of people who made a purchase. However, this segment is custom made, and you can create yours by clicking Add Segment and inserting your own link that you want to study how many people are visiting. And then it shows you the percentage of sessions that this report is based on. And here you have the age demographics of users visiting your website. And on the right, you have the gender demograph. So as we can see, these can be extremely useful when wanting to get information on our audience. And we have more than demographics. If you actually click on Audience Overview, you'll get a very basic intel on your users, such as the number of visitors you get every day, and whether they're new or not, whether they're returning visitors, and if the amount of visitors is increasing or decreasing. You can get the very general information on your audience right from here. So Google Analytics offers you many more tools that we'll discuss in the next video, so stay tuned because we're not done yet. Hello guys, and welcome to our last video in this chapter. We're going to discuss some other analytics tool that you will surely benefit from in detecting so many information about your website. It's impossible to determine these information on your own without an analytical tool. It'll be very difficult. That's why Google Analytics tools save you time and effort, and you can truly benefit from them. So let's see what other tools we have. We have the Acquisition Reports tool. This will show you how is your website getting its traffic, and what's the most successful source that brings visitors to your website. We have examples like organic search, direct, referral, social, and other. These are the top channels that bring users to your website. And again, you have session where it detects the engagement and traffic throughout time. And then conversions, which detects how your links and conversions are performing on your website. And whether they're in decline or success, you can determine that from right here. The example here is a mailing list. And you have additional details on these channels, such as determining which one is bringing you new users and which one is giving you the perfect bounce rate. Oh, The bounce rate. The bounce rate is the percentage of people who visit only the page they land on, but then closes your website. Next, we have behavior tools. This one allows you to track the page views, unique page views, which excludes the people who revisit your website, and then the average time that users spend on page, and the bounce rate again, but we just explained that. And then we have the exit rate, which is the rate of people making the selected page as their last page. It means that this is going to be the last page that they visited before closing your website. And you can see these statistics on any page of your website, so you can study the performance of each. And the final tool we have, we're going to discuss the RealTime Tool. This one gives you a real-time report on how many people are currently on your page, as in the meantime, while also telling you how exactly did these people discover your website, whether it's via organic search or directly visited the website and the other methods you already know about. And it also gives you the time that these people have been staying on your page. And it just doesn't end there. There are many more features and tools, but we'll leave the rest for you to discover, because we think the best way to discover Google Analytics is to practice it with yourself and allow yourself to dive deep into its tiniest feature. And within a week of using it, you can easily become a master of Google Analytics. So good luck with your Google Analytics experience, and we hope you have found this chapter useful.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.